up, y'all? It's your boy KellyB. Hey man, I hope everybody having an awesome day. Hey, I decided to get out on this cold day and take me a ride, man. You know, and to give you a review over the Quin helmet that I have here, the Ghost carbon fiber helmet here. Y'all, this helmet is a go. It's a few things that I wish they would do on the helmet. I wish the audio was a little louder. That's it. Just a little louder when I'm talking to my wife or my daughter, whoever, call me, and the audio when you listening to your music. Other than that, this boy is awesome. I think if they do those two things right there and people really get this helmet out there, it will sell. It's lightweight. You cannot beat the lightweight of it, man. But I did a little short recording on this yesterday, and the audio, that my recording audio, what I'm talking about, was clear. I was wondering if I was gonna get snapping, popping, motor too loud or whatever, you know what I'm saying? But y'all, it's great. I ain't gonna even lie. The Cardo and all kind of other you know, riders with their Bluetooth. So I did a little research, and it said it will. You got to do the update on it, because you know this helmet got to do an update on this helmet. Like you got to do an update on everything, your phone, you know, your new Harley Davidsons now, you know. So yeah, so you got to do an update to get that feature on here. So hopefully when I do get with some more riders, I can really test it and see if it really connects with them. I'm gonna tell y'all, ever since I got my clutch redone, that rear tire is really catching. I'm probably gonna switch these tires out. Probably, I'm gonna ride with them probably the rest of the riding year, or maybe till the summertime. Then I'm gonna probably switch them out. I'm gonna go with some more tires. But I don't have any issues with these Harley Davidson tires, man. Oh my gosh. Let's go, baby. Preload, baby, preload, preload, preload. They must be having something at Black Gold, man. They are having something over here at Black Gold. I don't know what they having over here, but we at Black Gold Harley Davidson, y'all. All right, y'all, we here at Black Gold Harley Davidson. You see you hear all the music in the background, so I'm probably try to stop if I won't get copywritten. So man, we go holler at the fellas, man.
$110. I cannot stand cold weather.
Come on, man. Y'all gonna ride the polar ride with me? What's up, bro? Huh? Yeah, the polar ride. Yeah, I'm good, man. How y'all doing? Hey, y'all, we got a chili cook-off going off here at Black Gold. You pay $5 and test all the chili you want to test out here. So, yeah, man. Hey, is that a 23 on here? I love it, man. I've been coming up here and I've been looking at your bike. I said, man, that boy clean. Y'all check that wheel out right there. Yeah, that's clean, man. Nice looking bike, man. So yeah, man, you pay $5 and you can test all the chili you want to test. So yeah, so we are up here. Woo! Y'all, it smells so good too. Yeah, man, they got the bikes up here for you. Yeah, dog. I'm about to find this stocking cap, man. My ears are cold, man. Ears are cold. Let me see what they got up here. Should have brought my credit cards. Yeah. Let's get to it. How you doing, man? Hey, y'all, let me see what bikes they got, dude. I want to see the Limited. That's what I really want to see in person. But I don't think they got one yet. Reason why I want to see the Limited, man, I think they took some stuff off of it to me, man. Especially on the Street Glide. You know how the Street Glide come with all the lights in the front, the speakers on the tour pack. And to me, the lures, I'm gonna be honest, they look like Indian lures. They really do. They look like the Indian lures, dog. So yeah, but they got some bikes up here for you. The speakers on the tour packs, man, and if you go look at the new ones, they don't have that on the tour pack, man. They took that off, man. So hey, I guess you have to buy, and there's more money out your pocket that you have to do. So yeah, but let's get to it. That man grew his, look, he getting pretty, man. He getting his beard out for the winter.
How you doing?
Good, man. Hey man, hanging out. Yeah, I'm just recording. Y'all see this young lady? Give me your YouTube channel. I mean your Instagram.
Instagram at ZEE883,
yeah.
And then YouTube is Chuck and Z.
Yeah. Hey, y'all need to go get them a follow. They got a great channel, and she ride for real, y'all.
Yes.
She ride for real. What you ride?
Roadglide.
Okay. Oh man, y'all need to check her out, man.
What?
She said what? Yeah, y'all need to check her out. She be riding. Her and her husband. Yeah. Man, it's good seeing you again.
You too.
Yeah.
You too.
Say hello to my little friend.
How's it going, buddy? Keith.
Great man, Brian. Keith.
Nice to meet you.
Man, this man up here all the time.
I don't think so.
Man, y'all better start introducing y'all.
Might have. I don't know.
That's my man, 100 grand and all. What up, man? Just chilling, man. You know we gotta come pay y'all a visit, man. You already know. How you doing? Good to see you again. Good to see you. Appreciate it. Thank you. Yeah. Hey, that's all I ride in, man.
I like to ask you, right now?
I got so many different joys, man. It's crazy.
I stick to my Converse.
Yeah, I got a lot of them too.
You too, man.
But they got the chili cook-off going out here. The people say the chili pretty good too, y'all. So yeah, I don't know how many different people are here with the chili, but whoo, the smell smells so good out here, dude. But I think I'm finna go to Bucey's and get me a turkey sandwich, y'all. So I get back with y'all when I get on the bike. All right, peace. Well, y'all, we finna get up out of here, man. I'm gonna go grab me something to eat. Yeah, I'm gonna go grab me something to eat, y'all. Probably down at Bucey's, I guess. And we're gonna get out of here. I'm out, man. Oh, yeah. Man, let's go get us something to eat, man. We gotta eat, man. I work, so I gotta eat too. Woo, yes, sir. Boy, sound good. Y'all see it say Bucey's out Boulevard, y'all. I often say Avenue. Bucey's Boulevard. Y'all see the sign up there? I guess y'all can. That big old Bucey's, you can't miss it. Right off of 75 here. Not too far from my house. Oh man, they building more stuff back there. Oh, they building another gas station right there too. I don't know why they want to do that. I want Bucey's be running people out of business. If you ain't got sandwiches up in like Bucey's do, you might be hurting yourself putting a gas station right there. I know I wouldn't. I'd have put that on down the street. But I see why they did it. They finna put a shopping center over here. Oh wow. Nice. Look at Bucey, y'all. Look like a movie theater over here, y'all. A grocery store parking lot. Pretty much a grocery store. I got everything in there you want to get. From food you want to cook, from food, pies, cakes, and sweets, and whatever. Look at that preload, y'all. Preload. Yeah, man. You know what I'm finna do, y'all? I'm finna pull right here. Hope they don't get mad at me for pulling right here. But y'all, let's go get something to eat. Let's go get something to eat. Always packed in here, y'all. Always. I think I'm gonna do the turkey, y'all. What's up, y'all? I was gonna wait till I got home to eat, but I can't wait no longer. Sparkling water, y'all. Coconut and pineapple. I like this. I'm definitely gonna say this till I get home right here. But I'm gonna eat this turkey sandwich now. Yeah. It's cool out here too, y'all. But yeah, I'm gonna end this video. I'm gonna eat this, and I'm gonna go home and enjoy the rest of the day. So yeah, y'all, so we're gonna get out of here. Y'all stay safe if you're out riding. This wind is blowing strong. But yeah, till the next time, the next grind, y'all stay safe and have a blessed day. Enjoy this ride, man. Enjoy this weather. Even though it's cold, enjoy it, man. You here, you alive. I'm out. Peace. We out. Camera one.